Welcome to another video, guys. In this video I'm mainly going to go over the model that I used to pull out over 6 figures from trading over the past 6 months. Alright, and I'm going to show this to you on back-tested data that I myself have not tested or gotten into. Alright, so we're going to use Gemini. Now we're going to ask it to select any random period over the past, let's just say 6 years, yeah? Any month except December, because December is a bit chopped, I can't lie. And I usually do not trade in December anyways. So I will ask it for any period during the past 6 years, and we will back test it together, yeah? So select any month and year from the past 6 years except December. Alright, we just see this is recording. Yep, it's recording. Alright, let's just go with this October 2022. Yeah, let's start. Oh, and by the way, this is kind of like a live trade. I'm expecting gold to retrace lower and go higher. So who should I send this in my forecast in my free Telegram, VIP Discord, and in my Instagram if you're not following me there. So this is what I'm expecting for today, but let's see what pans out. So let's clear up this entire chart because it looks like an absolute mess. Let's go to the daily time frame, and now we are going to go all the way to October. This is going to take a minute. We're going to go all the way to October 2022, yeah? So let's start with the first day. Oh, perfect. It starts on a Monday as well. First thing we do, damn, gold was at 1,660. Hold on, let me just get my coffee, yeah? Alright. Well, this flash needs to... yeah, alright. So... okay, obviously we're in a downtrend. Well, this looks like a good point for a reversal on the daily, just because we have inversed this daily fair value gap. And we have also... we also have a daily bullish engulfing candle as well. It's like 2 in 1, yeah? So I would look for a reversal over here. And we have taken out all of these equal lows over here. So this is an insane spot for a reversal. We're in this daily fair value gap as well. So a weekly fair value gap, and there's another untapped weekly fair value gap. So my forecast would be, ideally we go here and then we go down again, yeah? I mean, we could reverse as well and have completely like bullish reversal, but let's see. I only want to do 1 week just because I want to keep this video short, because most people won't have a good attention span, yeah? So firstly, okay, we can already see that the daily is good. I take most of my trades at London session, yeah? So the way you would backtest this is, I have an Excel template, which I don't want to share in this video right now just because I want to keep it short. But you would essentially put the date and the time you took the setup, the pair you took it, the duration, and then if there was any news or not, and then I put a separate column for like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, so then, and even 0.5 hour, yeah? And then you can basically customize it however you like it. Like, let's say you want to go break even after 1 hour, or 0.5 hour, or even 2 hour, or let's say you normally take 3 hour trades, but then you keep taking partials at 1 hour, 2 hour, and at 0.5, yeah? So there's endless ways you can do this, and the trade results are always going to differ based on how you do it. So you can either make your system mechanical, which I kind of advise if you're a beginner trader to do, but then if you're more experienced, it's always better to follow your intuition, yeah? Because when you have more screen time, you can just kind of tell what the market's going to do. So let's just start at the 15-minute time frame, and let's just wait for like London session around 3:30 a.m. Alright, so we're at 3:30. We have already swept Asia low, and I can't lie, we're still in premium. Let's go. Before we do this, one thing I like to do as well is look at the previous few days price action just to get a feel of what's going on. Yeah, so here we have swept London low and reversed from it. Here we haven't either. Here, alright, so it's kind of like there's two main models I use. The first model is like if I'm bullish, and to be honest, this works when I'm very in all market conditions. Yeah, so ideally when London low gets swept, usually you can get a reversal to at least 50% of the range. Yeah, so like you saw it happen here, it's happened here, it's kind of happened here as well. You swept London low, got a reversal back to 50% of the range. Here it's not happened, but then it's happened here as well. So the first model is that you can literally just wait for London low to get swept, and this is the easiest model with the highest win rate. You just set alerts, and as soon as London low is swept, you just come on the charts and then you come back on it. So this is the main model I use. It's called SLS, which is called Session Liquidity Sweep. Yeah, and then the other model is that, as you can see here, we always don't get a retracement. Sorry, we always don't get a sweep of London low. Yeah. So if you just wait for a sweep of London low, you're gonna miss like crazy moves. Yeah, like this one as well. You know what I mean? Like this one as well. We got like a decent move as well. So it depends, but maybe if you're just starting out, when I first started out, I just waited for London low, and then if the market is very bullish, yeah, like right now it's very bullish, it's not going to go all the way down to London low. Yeah. So at that point, you have to use your own judgment and decide on like what you want to do. Like let's go to the. Are you serious, bro? Are you serious? You can't go to the. I have like the premium version of TradingView, man. Come on. And I still can't go down to the 5-minute time frame, bruh. What an L. Yeah, sorry. I should have been using FX replay. I don't know why I decided to use TradingView. Yeah, so let's just use FX replay and assets. Let's do XAU/USD. And initial date, we're going to go all the way back to 2022. Alright, great session. I'm just going to backtest this for a week though. Yeah. Alright, we are. Oh shit, this already. For some reason, it's already at 5 a.m., which I did not want, but it is what it is. Where are the. Okay, I need to add an indicator, which is called session. I can't remember which one I use. I'm not backtested. I think it's this one. It has to be this one. Yeah, this one's 3 to 5. Yep. But the timings are a bit different. Let me just quickly check something, because if I go on TradingView, I go to the let's go to the 5 minutes. You see London starts at 3, yeah? 3 to 5. Let's just quickly get the settings here. Okay, it's 2 to 5 here for some reason. Bro, okay. Let's use a different one. I'm pretty sure. Sorry guys, I know I'm making this video unnecessarily long, but it has to be done. If you don't have the patience to even sit through this, like, shouldn't even be trading, if I'm being honest. There we go. This one's accurate. Yeah. All right. So it's looking like we're probably going to take out London low. Let's start at the 4 hour. Actually, yeah, start at the 4 hour. Yeah, so it's looking like we might head to this 4 hour fair value gap. Yeah, so I want to see us come here and then go up. Until that happens, ideally, I will not be taking anything unless I see something really good. Right, now this is where it kind of gets tricky because here we've had like a good move. Yeah. Sometimes price will not retrace at the 4 hour fair value gap and just rip up. But to be fair, I mean it's only 40 pips. And there's previous daily low here as well. You know what? Let's just wait. It's fine. But there's a high chance. I would say there's a good 50% chance we just retrace from here. And we end up going all the way up here. You know what? Just because the risk to reward is so good, yeah, I'll take something with half risk. And we have like another trend line. Actually, the main trend line is over here. And then another one over here. So I would take this with half risk just because the risk to reward is so good. But more than likely it will fail. Yeah, that was an instant fail. Did it take us out or no? Brother, no way. It did not take this out, yeah, sorry. Listen, my low was supposed to be here. I know it's hindsight, but my low was always at London low, yeah. So, if you did put it here, it would not take you out. And this is why I still like to go in with half risk, yeah. And you might think like, oh, I moved my stop, but like, I'm being honest, guys, like, I just didn't draw properly. You need to, I always put my stop loss at the London session low. And you can see it rejected beautifully off, but it did not take it out. I was just very lazy about drawing this. So there is a chance we've placed another high, created another trend line. We might reverse here and then go higher. So when I see this move, yeah, I'm like break even over here. So instantly I just go break even here. All right, this is playing out to be a beautiful trade. Look at that, we are already up. Like, I would take Parsons here as well. Already up 3 area. This is from a random trade, guys. Random trade, like literally, I selected a random period of time. I have no idea. And alright, I just made a small mistake with the SL placement. I just didn't draw properly. But you got the idea, yeah? This is most likely gonna hit full TP now. Let's see. Boom, guys. There we go. Full TP smashed there. Literally, there is no way I've memorized every single day on the chart yet. This is just live proof for you guys. Yes, so let's go. 1 second, I think I just got a parcel delivered. Yep, all done, collected the parcel. Anyways, let's go to the next one. So we're already up, like, this trade gave you 4.5 R, yeah, and then I did enter using half risk. So ideally, it's like roughly 2 R if you go full TP. But what you could do, you could also use like 0.75% risk or even like 1 R risk, just because the risk to reward is so good. So like, let's say, if you go stop out here, I would just enter again here and just have the same TP, yeah. So you're going to make up for it in the risk to reward. Why I chose this TP? We have this beautiful trend line here, and London high and Asia high. And to be honest, like this might also get hit, but this is, yeah, see, it's so close to like here as well. But yeah, that's it. I'm done for today on this one. Let's just see how the rest of the day plays out. Remember I told you I was expecting it to be bullish, yeah? Just because, oh my goodness. This is why with gold I always like to leave like some runners, man. This is absolutely insane. We're also supposed to check forex replay to check if there's any news as well, but usually most of the news is like afterwards. So just to keep this video short, I'm not gonna check it. Yeah, but damn, this already flew. Like, look, I told you this was an insane spot for a reversal, yeah, and this is a random day as well. I don't even know. There is no way I memorize every single day of the chart here. But this is the reason I like doing these backtesting videos, because it proves that you have the skill and it's not hindsight. I mean, it is hindsight, but like it's new data I've never seen before. Yeah. So anyways, next day is the same mission. I ideally just look for a good setup in New York, and then yeah, just go out from there. Let's make it quicker. So I have to take most of my trades around 3 a.m. New York time. Alright, let's see. See what I mean? Like, this is like crazy retracement. Like, it already moved so high. This daily candle is still printing. We have already rejected. We have another 4-hour bullish engulfing candle. Oh, this would have been a good swing buy from last night, where you could have literally, like, you can literally swing trade gold as well, and I would literally just put it here, and then I would just aim for this untapped fair value gap over here. You can even swing trade with gold, but yeah, anyways, I kind of, we probably missed the move here. On days like this, you might not get a retracement and you just have to continue to buy. But I would definitely at least wait for price to come back here. 1 second. At least here. This is another area as well, but let's see how it goes. Alright. Oh, we already retraced here. Well, let's wait. There is no hurry. We already 3 hours from the previous day. Okay, this is good. So we have retraced this 15-minute fair value gap here. Now, is this a bullish? Okay, we do have like a bullish. You know what? I will just go even half risk here. Before I do that though, we need to find a good target, yeah, because you can't just, like the previous day we had very good targets, but I'm not seeing any good targets here, like 0. We are already in this fair value gap. Yeah, this trade is very low probability. To be honest, if I'm taking this, I would take it with 0.25% risk. To be honest, I might not even take it just because there's no target. Yeah, so this trade is like 20% probability I would take it. And even if I do take it, I will take it with like 0.25% risk. But let's just see where it goes, just for the sake of this video. Yeah, see, this is what I mean. I just wouldn't take it because there aren't any good targets. Like when you're in this scenario where you have no targets, ideally you wait for liquidity, you wait for like good targets to get formed. And from what I'm seeing here, we are forming like a nice trend line. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. We are forming a beautiful trend line. So ideally, I'll wait for one of these lows to get taken out, or a retracement here, and then I'll target this. Yeah. So let's just see what happens. Beautiful, beautiful. So we have come all the way here. If you could take 1-minute trades, but they're just going to be lower probability. For the sake of this video, I'm going to stick to 5-minute and above only. But if this gets inversed, you could get a sniper entry. Let me draw the SL properly this time. You get sniper entry here, yeah? You could, but let's wait 5 minutes because I don't even think we might get something on the 5-minute, to be fair. Yeah. You should have taken the sniper entry move, man. It is what it is. It's all. This one is hindsight, but yeah. You could try 1 minute with half risk. That's what I kind of do as well. But yeah, it's not coming down now. It's gone. The move is missed. Yeah, you see, but I literally told you, this is what I would expect. Retracement higher. We built up liquidity, and then we reverse. Yeah. This was a very good move to take even at the 1 minute, man. Just because we built up these good trend lines, yeah. See, like you can, through backtesting, you learn things, and then next time this something like this happens, you just, you know, enter it like on the 1 minute time frame as well. Just because it worked this time doesn't mean it might work the next time, but at least you have this in your data, yeah? To be honest, I would have taken this with 0.5% risk, yeah, because I do enter trades on the 1 minute as well. And realistically, I would have held the full TP just because we have this here, so would have been roughly 3-4 hours, and this is just 2 days of trading, man. Like, this is mad. This is genuinely mad, yeah? Anyways, let's go to the next day. I mean, if you want to New York, you could wait for something here, but then again, there are no good targets, so you would need for liquidity to form. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at a nice retracement lower. Could target this fair value gap, but I mean, after this banking trade, there's literally no reason to be trading New York session. But we still have good moves though, like there was a bullish engulfing candle you could have entered to. Yeah, 100%. We retraced all the way. Oh, this is actually such a good move on the higher time frame, because we retraced all the way down to this fair value gap, and then usually this is like 50% of the range, and then you can just target this high. Yeah, you know what? Let's be aggressive with this backtesting, yeah? You could have gone here and just aim for this high and hit another one. Not another 4 hour, yeah? This is what I mean, like if you miss this move, you can just come back for this one. You know, for the purpose of this video, let's be full on aggressive, because the first week of every month, usually you get the best trades. And then you can go full hammer the first week, and then just be done for the month. Like think about it, if you take all of these 3 trades, you're up like 7-8 hours at least, yeah? Which is insane. So let's just come back the next day. But damn, this is crazy. So I love trading gold, man. Gold is just a different animal. Let's go on the daily. Alright. I mean, I don't think we're going to have a retracement all the way down here, but it's still possible. 4 hour, we've already retraced here. Good place to look for longs. 1 hour as well. Okay, I'm just going to look for longs here. That's it. Like ideally, let's just do the 1 minute as well, but I want to see Asia low get swept before we do anything. Come on. Okay, Asia low swept. Beautiful. Let's look for a reversal. There aren't that many good targets here though, I can't lie. Maybe just this trend line, but like it's on the 1 minute, that too. Yeah, it's looking like we might just dump a bit more. Yeah, that's why I said it's looking like we're just going to continue dumping. So we might be heading to... No, daily fair value gap is too far. Let me remove the lines from yesterday. I'm not seeing any higher time frame targets, but let's see. Yeah, I wouldn't be too keen now, but let's see. Okay, this is our first market structure shift. To be honest, I'm not liking this move. I'm just gonna sit out. I did say we'll be aggressive. There are multiple targets you could go for, to be honest, like all of these fair value gaps here. And then realistically, you could probably enter, like, for the sake of this video, let's just enter over here with half risk, yeah? Because we're already up like 5-6 hours, why not? You're allowed to take like low probability trades here and there. But I have a feeling this is just gonna fail. Or not, let's see. Because we retraced to this 15-minute fair value gap. You know what, let's just go with it. Let's put it here. Bro, this price action is dead. At this point, I'm going to close at a break even. Just because it's just doing nothing. Oh yeah, and I think there is ADP news as well. There is ADP news at like 8:15. So we're just going to sit out. This could be a retracement here to go higher. But I would exit this here. And just wait for the news. See, this is why I went out. Oops, oops, stop, stop, stop. This is a sweep of London though, yeah. This is where I would enter. I know it's hindsight, but I literally said sweep of London low A plus model, yeah. This is where I would enter here. Unfortunately, you will have a big SL. I'm going to target this high just because we have built like a nice trend line here. Yeah. And boom, like let's see how it goes. As we're killing it this week, man, even though we missed like 2 trades, it's only Wednesday and this is going to hit TP, it has to. Okay, it's not, didn't hit TP, so I'm break even here. So if we entered here, we would have go roughly 2 hour, let's say 1.5 hour, yeah, because it would take partials along the way. But I still think this is a good setup though, because we're just building another trend line. But I would be out here just because we have ADP at 8:15, yeah. Usually that's every Wednesday. Yes, unless you held for the news. We did get another engulfing candle here, to be fair. And this move because of the news, yeah. We did have another engulfing candle here on the 5 minute, which is another entry model of mine. But I will put my low here, and I'll just target the same thing again. Yeah. I'm putting this way too fast, man. I'm missing moves. Thursday and Friday I'll do it a lot slower. Now this should hit full TP though. Oh, come on. Again, we are break even again, so this will be around 2 hours. But see, this is what I mean, yeah? Like if you're fully active on the charts, you can get all of these moves. I accidentally put it on fast forward, so I did miss like some of these moves, but I'm literally telling you exactly what I expect, so you guys kind of know I'm not bullshitting, yeah? And let's just go to the next day. This is also another beautiful engulfing that you could take here and target here as well. Yeah, because there is a 1 hour fair value gap here. You know what? Let's see how it goes. I enter on this engulfing candle. We have retraced here. I missed the move. Yeah, I've retraced here. We built another trend line. But this is another engulfing. So I've entered here. My SL is here. My TP is here. Let's go. Wow, I got absolutely whacked. That's why I don't like taking trades late in New York, man, because New York session always get whacked. But yeah, whatever. This is an SL, it's minus 1 hour. Let's come back the next day. This time, let's be a slower. But you see, my targets are right. Yeah, they got hit, man. It just ended up stopping me out. You could have entered at another engulfing here. Same targets would have gotten hit. Sometimes, I know why. It's because there was this beautiful trend line here as well. That's why it stopped us out instantly, and then it went higher. Yeah, it is what it is. Come back the next day. Let's go with London. This time I'm going to be a lot slower, yeah? Oh, shit. Okay, I'm going to be slower here. Let's go to the daily. 4 hour. 4 hour, I want to see his retrace. To this fair value gap before we make any moves. Oh, there's another one here as well, but to be fair, let's see. This is Asia low as well. There are 2 targets here which are kind of decent, 2 wicks, and you can kind of like draw it here as well. So let's see what happens. I'm going to be a bit slower this time. Let's go all the way to the 1 minute. Beautiful. So we swept all of this. We came straight here. Now I can just look for something on the 1 minute time frame, to be fair. Okay, there's another 4 hours, or there's another 4 hour fair value gap over here as well. And now we can just go on the 1 minute and let's just see what sets up. Looking like it might react off this level. Would I take this? No. This I would. This is very tricky, yeah, because We're right below another 1 hour fair value gap, so there is a possibility it could stop us out, but I'll still take it though. You can't keep waiting for every single fair value gap below. What would I target? Target, to be fair, what could I target? I could target all the way up here, but this is just way too far. Let's see. I'm not liking this. I think we're gonna head. Oh, we're gonna head lower. I'm gonna stay out. You know what? Half risk. Let's do it with half risk. Yes, fine. I'm probably gonna hit a sell. I'm break even here. Sorry. Yeah, but as soon as we do this and I come back here, I'm break even. Yeah, it's because we didn't get any follow through. So I'll be out. I wouldn't even take any partials here. I'll just be out of break even. Now I would look for something else on the 1 minute again. If we inverse this fair value gap, I'll be long here. And let's see if I can find something to target. Okay, I'm long here. Same target. I mean, this should get hit for sure. So you could just take 1% risk until you do this, but I'm gonna do this as well. It could also come down here, guys. I can't lie. Because you look at this range, we are just like, we know to retrace the 50% of this range, but let's see. Let's see what the 5 minute saying as well. Yeah, getting chopped. Another SL. Oh, but we are building a good trend line here. So I'm just going to enter again. I'm going to target this for a 2 hour. Yeah? Let's see. That's it. What did I say, guys? Anyways, stops at break even now. I still think we're going to take this out though, but let's see. Damn, it was one long trade. Oh, bro, come on. Like, you would come here and you wouldn't take this out. Like, why? Yeah, so he goes stop the break even, but you could have taken go at least 1.5 hour and still ended the green on this, yeah? But that's Thursday, almost done. You know what? Let's see New York as well. I want to see what New York does. Oh, what is this price action? It looks horrible. Maybe we have news or something. Anyways, let's just go to New York. Oh my days. I told myself I wouldn't fast forward it too fast. Oh, happened again, man. We retraced this 4 hour fair value gap. Which is over here. So is it 1 hour? Yeah, 1 hour fair value gap over here. What beautiful entry, I bet. Another inversion. This was another. No, I would not take this, to be fair. It looks chopped. You could draw a trend line here. Yeah, actually, I would take this because all these highs that have not been taken out. Only these two highs remain. So yeah, you could. I mean, this one I said I would not do, but I just missed it, unfortunately. But you could literally put this and target here, and that's going to give you another 4 hour. Yeah, don't worry, because if we miss this, we're getting the same thing again here. This time I'll be a bit slow. The only issue is when you go late during New York session, you might not get like a reversal higher. That's the only issue. So maybe I'll do this, put my stop here, go long here. Let's just see what's the higher time frame is saying. Oh, we already retraced this 1 hour fair value gap, so it's low probability. But we could just try with half risk just to see. Hopefully it should at least go here. feel like I need to go break even here. Yeah, I'm break even here. That's it. I'm done. Yeah, see, so I mean, I'm only break even here. Is gonna do some retardation. Oh my god! Wait, there's another entry here. Another inversion, man. The goal, like honestly, you can miss a trade like that. Same TP. Enter here at this point. You move your stop to break even. Oh, but look at that. When you have the target, it's always gonna get hit. It's just a matter of trying again and again. So I literally, yeah, you could have got stopped here. Here we go, break even here. I would have entered. I mean, I just played it too fast there because it's the exact same entry model. We're just waiting for this fair value gap to get inversed, and then we go long. Yeah, so that's literally it. So you could have gotten another like roughly 2 hour here with partials. This one as well, at least 3.5 hour. This is really shaping up to be like a 10 plus week, man. This is crazy. Like I would just trade this week and just be done, and then take the entire month off and just chill. Yeah. Now we come back tomorrow on the final day. We have NFP. So ideally with NFP, you don't want to be taking trades before the news comes out. But let's just see. Oh shit. Let's just see what happens. Alright, so we got a sweep of Asia low. 4 hour, not seeing anything good. 1 hour. I look chopped, I can't lie. But I still think we're going to go higher too, but let's see. Okay, let's go to the 5 minutes. We already swept Asia high, man, so I'm just going to stick with the 5 minutes for now. We are building another trend line too. Everything good in the 1 minute. Ooh, we could get in like a long here. This inversion stop at the low. Just target this high. This looks low probability though, I can't lie. But you know what, since we have extra money from like 10 hour week we had, we can use half risk on this, it's fine. And break even here. Yes, we can move this here. Oh, London high taken out. Take more partials here as well. This high taken out. Take more partials here. It's not taken out, but we're going to retrace and go higher. What time is it? Because I need to close it before NFP comes. I just fast track it. Beautiful. Another entry here maybe. We could, yeah. We got nice bullish engulfing. Yeah, you know what? Because we got a bullish engulfing here, and we retraced this 5 minutes. You could literally take another entry here, for half risk again, same TP, and just chill. Yeah, this is another, and it was bullish engulfing and an inversion as well. So let's see how it goes. Take partials here. You can literally close it at here and just be done. Yeah, I mean, you got another 2 hour, which is absolutely insane, on top of this 3 hour. But full TP should get hit though. Oh, it's fine. It is what it is. Unlucky. That's why I said you can just close it here and be done with it. I mean, this is insane. You got like more than 15 hours in a single week, and we missed like a few good setups as well. We missed at least 5 hours. Yeah. But yeah, this is literally it, guys. once you have the skill, you can trade like, all you need to do is just spend hours backtesting. Like I would do this like 3 hours every single night for like years. That's how I got to the stage I am at right now. But this is so beautiful. I mean, literally, I picked a random date using AI and showed you random price action that I don't even know. And I went through my entire analysis and my setup and my execution as well. This is absolutely insane. Free sauce. Usually people charge like $500 just to view a gem like this, yeah? Because if you actually study every single trade I took on this, you're easily making 10 to 15 hours. And that's a skill that you can literally use to make infinite money in your life. Yeah, the value of this video is honestly, it's priceless. But let me know what type of videos you guys want to see next. Yeah, and yeah, literally this is an insane video, honestly. And this is like a master class. Yeah, sorry, for trade forecast exactly like this, from forecast to execution, check out my free Telegram and my VIP Discord as well. And follow me on X if you're not already, where I do share my trading journey. And also on my Instagram, which is sls.fx, I do share my forecast on that as well, and my trading journey over there as well. So I shall see you inside the free Telegram, yeah? But thank you for watching and take care.